Who on earth gave this cookie the permission to look this friggin' cute? Hey you, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha, and today is the first episode of Samantha's Not So Scary Halloween Party! All month of October, I'm teaching you how to make some of your favorite Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party treats right in the comfort of your own home. Today we're starting off with the Oogie Boogie Meringues. This dessert was served in 2018 at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I read mixed reviews about it. I think we can make it better. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you get the notifications. First thing we're gonna do is make our cherry pomegranate Jell-O base. To start, we're taking cocktail cups and filling them with gummy worms. I laid some on the bottom of the cup and then had some others kind of hanging out. I thought it just looked kind of creepy and cool like that. Then we're gonna bring 2 cups of water to a boil. We're adding 2 boxes of Jell-O mix to our bowl, cherry flavored. We're gonna add in that boiling water. Give that a nice stir until everything's dissolved. Then we're adding in 2 cups of cold pomegranate juice, stirring everything together, and then pouring into those cups when they're ready. Then they're going to go into the fridge for about 4 hours. Time to make some meringues. We're going to start with 4 room temperature egg whites, and I separate them by hand. You can do this too if you aren't too squeamish. I just crack it into my hand and toss the yolk around until the white is completely through your fingers and into the bowl. You're going to add the egg whites to the base of your mixer and beat on medium speed until foamy. Once the eggs look like this, you're going to add your cream of tartar and salt and beat until soft peaks form. Once the peaks start forming, you're going to add your sugar very slowly over the course of about 7 minutes. If they're going to look like Oogie Boogie, they've got to be green. So here's where I added some green food coloring and I continued to beat it until I got that nice desired color I wanted. And once the meringue looks like this, you're ready to pipe. Using a Wilton 2A tip and a piping bag, you're going to pipe a cone shape, bringing the bag up and decreasing pressure as you go. You're going to bake these for 1 hour at anywhere between 150 and 170 degrees. I think 165 is a pretty good sweet spot. So all the little meringues just came out of the oven and they look so good. I am super happy with how they turned out. Look at that, nice stiff peaks. Pop right off. Oh my gosh, perfect. So now that our cookies are out of the oven, why don't we make them look a little bit more like Oogie Boogie? For his face, I used black icing and I made 2 triangles for his eyes, drew a squiggly line and added smaller stitches for his mouth, and I think he looks pretty good. Our Jell-O is still not quite set up yet, and Eddie's coming tomorrow anyways. So let's head to bed for the night, let the Jell-O set up a little more, and we will taste test these tomorrow. See you then. Hello! Hey, our Jell-O is all set up, and let's take a look at it, and then we're gonna put our little Oogie Boogies on top. I'm so excited! Jell-O cups with our little cookies. I will let Eddie go first, as usual. I thought you would take and eat it separately. That's fine. Is the Jell-O good? Mm-hmm. Is it? Okay. Alright, I'll take a bite of my little Oogie Boogie. Meringues are not my favorite cookie, but these are actually really good. I'm gonna try a little Jell-O cup. I really like it. I'm not a Jell-O person, but I like the cherry and the pomegranate. And I like that I put gummy worms in it because gummy worms are delicious. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you ever had this dessert at one of the Halloween parties. Did you like it or not? I saw some like mixed reviews online, so I wasn't sure. Also, what's your favorite Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party snack? Maybe I'll make it this month. Who knows? Gotta keep watching to find out. Thanks again. Have a magical day.